Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a common problem that many Basecamp users face. Why their Basecamp isn't working. Before we dive into the troubleshooting steps, let's take a moment to understand why this might be happening. Basecamp is a complex software application with many moving parts, so it's not uncommon for things to go wrong from time to time. Here are some of the most common reasons why Basecamp might not be working. Internet connection issues. Basecamp is a cloud-based application, so you need to be connected to the internet in order to use it. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, it can cause problems with Basecamp. Browser compatibility. Basecamp is supported by a number of web browsers, but not all browsers are created equal. If you're using an older browser, it may not be compatible with the latest version of Basecamp. Cache and cookies. Your browser stores temporary files, called cache and cookies, that can sometimes cause problems with websites and applications. Clearing your cache and cookies can help to resolve issues with Basecamp. Software conflicts. If you have other software installed on your computer that conflicts with Basecamp, it can cause problems. This is especially common if you have antivirus or firewall software installed. Basecamp server issues. Occasionally, Basecamp may experience server issues that can prevent users from accessing the application. Now that we know some of the possible causes, let's get into the troubleshooting steps. Troubleshooting steps. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. You can use a speed test website to check your internet speed. 1. GitHub.com. GitHub.com. Update your browser. If you're using an older browser, update it to the latest version. You can find the latest version of your browser on the developer's website. Clear your cache and cookies. Most web browsers have a built-in option for clearing your cache and cookies. This will delete all of the temporary files that your browser has stored. Disable conflicting software. If you have any other software installed on your computer that might be conflicting with Basecamp, try disabling it temporarily. Check the Basecamp status page. If you're still having trouble accessing Basecamp, check the Basecamp status page to see if there are any known issues. If you've tried all of these steps and you're still having trouble, you can contact Basecamp support for assistance. Additional tips. Use the Basecamp app. If you're using Basecamp on a mobile device, you can try using the Basecamp app instead of the web browser. Try a different browser. If you're using a browser that isn't supported by Basecamp, try using a different browser. Restart your computer. Sometimes, simply restarting your computer can help to resolve issues with Basecamp. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials.